Welcome to AnimalWised. Today we will learn how to cook fish for cats with these simple cat cookies. Don't miss this video and get ready to cook for your four-legged best friend. To make this recipe you will need 1 tablespoon of whole wheat flour, half a cup of wheat germ, 200 grams of shredded tinned sardines, 60 milliliters of skimmed milk powder. The first thing that you should do is preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius with heat up and down. Later, mix all the ingredients in a large bowl and knead with your hands. The result should be a slightly damp dough. When it is ready, make 24 balls for the cookies. Place them on the work table and give them the shape you like best, making sure that they are not too thick. Line the tray with baking paper. Place cookies on the top and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. When they are ready, remove them from the oven and let them cool down so you can offer them to your cat. You'll see how they love them. Sardine is a type of bluefish that is very rich in omega-3 fatty acids, recommended to enhance cardiovascular health and improve your cat's coat. However, it has a higher percentage of fat than other fish and therefore it is advisable to moderate its consumption. In this way, we recommend that you prepare these cookies to give to your cat as a reward or treat and not as part of their daily diet. Thank you for watching this AnimalWised video. Like and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you soon!